How to get $80 Uber Eats coupon code. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Over here, you're going to find the search box, type in Uber Eats coupon code and search for it. Different website links will appear. Navigate to this one website, couponfollow.com. You'll be directed to the official website of it. Once you're in this website, you're going to find amazing offers and deals for Uber Eats. Just scroll and check out the offers. $20 off, $25 off, 50% off, and many more. Head towards any of the offer that you want to grab. Just go ahead and click on the offer. With that, you're going to get the code for it. Now I can copy the code. Make sure you check the expiration date of the code whether it is valid or not. If it is valid, click on redeem at Uber Eats. You'll be directed to the official website of it. Now you can log into your account, browse through the items and select the items that you want to order. Proceed to checkout. While you are in the checkout page, you're going to find the section of codes. Over there, type in your code and confirm your order. With that, you're going to get the discount in your order. Likewise, you can also try out other offers. As in this website, you're going to find tons of offers and deals for Uber Eats. The process is exact same. Lastly, what you can do is head back. Once you're in this website section, head over to this website, Groupon. This is also the legit website where you're going to find amazing offers and deals for Uber Eats. So this way you can easily get up to $80 working coupon code for Uber Eats. If this video was helpful, smash that like button, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.